chicos. Acabo de terminar este libro Toffee's Night Noises by Sally Chambers, pero no me importaría leerlo otra vez para vosotros. It is almost dark. The sun is sinking in the sky, and soon it will be night. Toffee loves the night. Everyone is getting ready for bed. The windows are shut. Thump, thump. The curtains are closed. Swish, swish. The doors are locked. Click, click. Teeth are cleaned. Brush, brush. Lights are turned out. Click, click. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Good night, Toffee. The house is very quiet. Everyone is sleeping. But the garden is full of sounds. All the night creatures are waking up. The moths are humming around the light. Toffee loves to watch the moths. The mice are out too. Toffee can hear them under the shed. Scratch, scratch, scratch. And the owl is calling to the moon. Tweet, twoo, tweet, twoo. The traffic rumbles on all through the night. The clock chimes to tell the time. The town is never quiet. It is very late. Suddenly, Toffee hears a strange sound. What can it be? Toffee keeps very still. Crash, bang, clatter. Then there is an even louder noise. Toffee quickly climbs the tree. Woof, woof, woof. It is only the dog next door. Max, calls a voice. Then it is quiet again. It is just before dawn. The garden is almost silent. Even the moon looks sleepy. The sun is starting to rise. The birds are singing to welcome the day. There are voices. The dustmen have arrived. The night noises have gone, and now it is morning. Then there is sound Toffee loves. Toffee. Purr, purr, purr. Y si quieres oír más de mis libros, no te olvides, apúntate a Ecos y visítanos en nuestro webpage, Ecos Educational, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter y YouTube. Gracias.
Aquí estoy así, buscando la postura narcísica.